Hello everyone, this is Gautami. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this Python series, today we are going to learn how to Python installation and environmental setup. There are different places where we can write a Python programming. The place where we are going to write a Python programming is known as IDEs. The full form of IDE is Integrated Development Environment. So, in this, we are going to learn how to install the basic software called IDLE and also I am going to teach how to download and install Anaconda software. In this complete course, we are going to write the Python programming in the Jupyter notebook. So let's begin how to download and install the basic software called IDLE. The full form of IDLE is Integrated Development Learning Environment. In order to download this software, browser and simply type it as Python download. Once you hit the enter button, you will see different types of links. In this, we are going to select the first link. So this is the official website where we are going to download the basic software. So here the latest version for Windows is Python 3.13.1. It is going to download for Windows. If you want to download for other operating systems, you can select these links and there you will have different types of links. You can click and download here. But I am using the Windows operating system, so I can click directly. So once you click, it will start downloading. I already downloaded, so I am going to present the PPT how to download this software. Once you download this software, simply double click on the downloaded file. Once you click on the downloaded file, you will see this kind of window. In this window, you have to click this checkbox. The reason because if you check this box, the path of this Python is going to be added in your environmental variables. So just try to check this box. Once you check this, click on the install now. Once you click on the install now, you will see this kind of window like a progressing. Once it finishes the progress, you will see this kind of window that the setup was successful. Once the setup was successful, simply click this close button. Then you have to check whether the software is installed in your system or not. For that, just open the search here and type it as CMD. It opens the command prompt. There you type it as a Python. Hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, you will see the details of the Python, what is the version you downloaded and what is the on what date you downloaded, that kind of information and all we can see it here. And we can see 3 arrows where we can start writing the Python coding. I just want to print hello world. So in order to print any message, we will make use of the function called a print function. So type it here, print function. Inside this function, we are going to write a message called hello world. So once I type this hello world, I am simply hitting the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, you can see the message called hello world. That means your software is installed successfully. This is the one method whether it is installed in your system or not. The second way to check here is go to the applications. You just go for a Python. Just to drag it down and you will see here a Python here. So once you click here, there is a software installed here is IDE. Just click on this. Once you click on this, it is going to open one window called IDE shell. So in this also we will see the details of the Python, and here also we can see 3 arrows where we can start writing the Python code whatever we like it. So I just entered hello world. Once you hit enter button, you will see the output. So this is all about how to install IDE software. In the next video, we are going to see how to install Anaconda software and how we are going to work in it. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment below. Thank you for watching.